Hi, my name's Julie. I'm a learning strategist with Planet Technologies. And this year, Microsoft released a lot of great new tools and features for us to be using. On this month's tips and tricks, I want to showcase 5 of those great tools that have helped us throughout 2020. Let's go ahead and take a look. My number 5 pick comes from Microsoft Forms. You can now ask for responders to surveys or quizzes to upload files. To do this, when you add a new question, click the drop-down and choose File Upload. It gives you a quick note about where these files will be stored. Once you click OK, you can configure the question that will allow file uploading. In my number 4 spot, I've chosen the PowerPoint Slideshow Narration tool. To use this tool, click on Slideshow and then the Record Slideshow drop-down. In the Slideshow Narration tool, you'll be able to start and stop recording, even pause recording your narrations. And you can decide whether or not you want to record voice and video for your slide presentations. You can also do pin annotations, and it will record any highlights or pin markings that you make on your slide deck. Once you've finished recording, you simply click Stop, and it will have saved that recording for you. Number 3 is the Cortana Daily Briefing email. In this email, you'll get relevant items to help you better prepare for your day. This can include outstanding commitments, requests, follow-ups, and even a look at your schedule. Number 2 is the addition of the Microsoft Editor in Outlook Online. Previously, all proofing in Outlook Online had been handled by the browser you were using. But now we have the more robust feature of Microsoft Editor. To manage the settings of your editor, click on the editor icon in a new email. And finally, in the number 1 spot, we have Microsoft Teams, the MVP of 2020. I want to call out a specific feature that was rolled out for our meetings, and it's the Mute All Participants feature. This feature has helped us not have to listen to our coworkers as they settle into a meeting late. As a meeting organizer, you can click on the participants and you will see the option to mute all. It will ask you if you are sure, and then you can click mute. I hope these top 5 tips and tricks were helpful for you. If you'd like to talk about any of these features with a Planet Learning Strategist, feel free to contact us at info@futureproofyourworkforce.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in 2021.